everybody, it's Tina and I'm here to share a paper bag journal that I started on my live video, which kept on getting interrupted today. It was just one of those days, what can I say? And I finished it, so I thought I'd do a project share so you guys can see it totally done. So I put a little ribbon on it to keep it closed. I have paper coming down, I got a flower, and I got this little image of these girls having coffee on a park bench. And I got a little gal on the back. And you just open it, untie it, and then you open it. And I have a little gal sitting here, and I made a little belly band on this one. Just little journaling cards tucked in here underneath her. And then on this pocket over here that was part of the paper bag, I added just a little journaling card, little tags. Kind of like, little fingers here, it looks like that. And then put in here. Remember, this pocket's not that deep because that's the flap of the paper bag. So I just kind of got these on this one on its side, and then I stick these out like so. Then over here, I did a little corner spot, and I also have a journaling, so you can journal here. A little tag, and then this it opens here, and you pull this out, and I did a little journaling card and did a little gal and a flower pot and a bowl. And then you can stick it back in here. It's got tabs. And then this spot is one whole piece of paper I had. It's actually reversed. The butterfly, I cut this specifically to fit this page. And got some flowers and a little journaling card here. And I got this one going in this direction. Just added these little flowers. And it flips. Did a journaling spot here. Did this pretty ribbon coming down with some paper. Little journaling cards with an image on. It slips in there. A couple more little tags. Or you can put photos too if you wanted in these spots as well. Here's another spot for a photo or journaling. And then it opens again. You pull in, you got this little journaling card. It's tucked back in the bag. And I put paper on the inside of each bag, just on the top a little bit, just to give it some stability. And you open, got a little journaling spot. I just did this little gal decoration. This pocket's this direction this time. There's little tags, a little journaling card, just some pretty lace and flowers going down the edge. It's tucked in there. Excuse me. And then this one is doesn't. And then I just did a little journaling spot here, added some flowers, added this on the back. Happiness blooms within. And then I have this little gal, or happiness blooms on within. I covered some of that. I don't remember exactly how it says, but oh, comes within. Yeah, it said come within. I added this little gal image right there, some flowers. This back one does open. Pull out another journaling card with a little gal. Here, you journal on the back, and then you just stick it back in the bag. In the back, I should say. And like this one's a little tighter because it was the back cover. I wanted to make sure that it was sturdier, so it's glued a little bit on the sides. And then that's the back cover. And then we just tie it back up on the side. Voila. And that is made out of that paper bag that I got in a grab bag, and I made it my own. I think it turned out really cute. I'm happy with it. Not too gator mouth, not too thick. Plenty of room to add more in there if you wanted to yourself. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July, everybody. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.